Alright, let's make this fast. If I had to choose only a few tools and paint with them forever, these would be the ones. My round brush is classic. Clean lines, soft washes, simple control. But it's not the one I pick forever. The water brush is portable, quick, and super easy outdoors. But again, not my final choice. The sword brush? This one does everything. Razor thin lines, bold strokes, curves, petals, leaves, you name it. If I could keep only one brush forever, I'd pick this. The dip pen has texture and character, but it's slow and messy. Beautiful, just not practical for every day. My Unipin fine liners. Clean, reliable, 3 sizes, super controlled. Perfect for quick sketches. My fountain pen is smooth, expressive, and gives natural line variation. It just flows. And if I had to choose only one for daily line work, I'd pick the Unipin. Burnt sienna, warm, earthy, perfect for urban shadows. Ultramarine, my essential blue. Granulates beautifully, mixes like magic. Viridian, a cool green that keeps everything fresh and alive. Cadmium red, strong, loud, a tiny bit goes a long way. Yellow ochre, soft, natural, perfect for buildings and light. Raw umber, cool, muted, great for rounding the whole palette. And here's the funny part. Same color names, different brands, totally different results. That still surprises me. Paper matters a lot. My sketchbook is solid and portable. But when it comes to painting, I always choose high-quality rough paper. Texture changes everything. Now that everything's chosen, I'll make a quick sketch using only these tools. Just a fast one. Let's see them in action. Alright, these were my choices. If it were you, which tools would you pick? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know.